Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, doing a quick experiment, so I thought I'd do a quick video on this. Trying to find a way to put a lens in this 10005. So what I have is a silicone rubber drawer bumper. You can buy these things at Home Depot. You can buy them almost anywhere. It's a little silicone rubber, about a 1/4 inch dot. It has a flange around the outside of it. And as you see, it fits perfectly into the hole in the front of the 10005. It helps collect light, especially if you don't have the light bulb mount. The motor that's in here now, the bulb is mounted directly on the motor rather than having the extended mount. Anyway, as you see, it works. It really helps gather the light when the light bulb is not actually close enough to that hole. As you see. So I put a drop of epoxy on it, stuck it in that hole. Should stay in there until I take it out. It works. It fits it like it was made for it. As you see. Anyway, one of the major problems with the 10005 is the light does not point forward, it points downwards. Anyway, just want to do a quick video on a way to add a lens to this. Tried using epoxy, there's not enough thickness there to do anything with it. But this works. As you see, it is definitely a lens. But again, the problem with this is, if you notice, it's pointing down, not out. That's the way the front of this is designed. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on putting a lens in the 10005. It does work, there's no doubt about that. Anyway, just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.